as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The very current cost of Axie vastness is $6.90. And Axie explicitly is as of now explicitly positioned no, or so they thought, 58 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Axie boundlessness truly is $806,944,239.84, with a market cap of $116,956,581 Axie in an unobtrusive manner. In the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 18 cents in its ongoing worth, or so they thought. Throughout the previous 7 days, Axie truly has been in a great vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 4.69%, which is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness sort of has shown exceptionally areas of strength for lovely potential recently. And this could truly be a decent chance to fundamentally dive right in and truly contribute. During the last month, the cost of Axie really has expanded by 10.26%, adding an enormous truly normal measure of 71 cents to its especially current worth, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. This unexpected development in a real sense implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing, or so they basically thought. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Axie vastness costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Axie endlessness will be $8.73, which generally is genuinely huge. The greatest level that the Axie cost can especially arrive at sort of is $10.18. The exceptionally normal exchanging cost is normal around $9.08 amazingly. Possible return for capital invested. 47.3% Axie value figure for May 2023 in view of the value variances of Axie vastness toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the genuinely normal Axie pace of $7.46 in May 2023. Its base and greatest costs can generally be anticipated at $6.82 and at $7.67. Separately, in an exceptionally significant way, expected return for capital invested, 11% June 2023. Axie Boundlessness Value Gauge digital currency specialists are extremely prepared to sort of declare their conjecture for the Axie cost in June 2023. The really least exchanging cost may be $7.33, while the most extreme could reach $8.04 during this month in a significant manner. By and large, it generally is normal that the worth of Axie boundlessness could especially be around $7.68. Possible return on initial capital investment, 16.4% Axie value gauge for July 2023. Crypto experts sort of have really looked at the value changes of Axie vastness in 2023 and in earlier years. So the very normal Axie rate they explicitly anticipate could essentially be around $7.91 in July 2023, or so they truly thought. It can drop to $7.63 as a base. The extremely greatest worth may be $8.35. Expected return for money invested, 20.8% August 2023. Axie limitlessness value estimate around mid-year 2023. The Axie cost will be exchanged at $8.07 overall, which really is genuinely critical. August 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Axie vastness worth to $8.75. Or so they for the most part thought. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $7.72 in August 2023, which in every practical sense is very critical. Expected return on initial capital investment, 26.6% Axie value gauge for September 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Axie boundlessness costs in 2023, so they generally are essentially prepared to sort of give their assessed exchanging to all plans and motivations normal for September 2023, $8.23 in a significant manner. The most reduced and top Axie rates could in every way that really matters be $7.95 and $9.15, or so they basically thought. Likely return for capital invested, 32.4% October 2023. Axie boundlessness value estimate. Crypto experts truly expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Axie cost will fundamentally be around $8.56, or so they sort of thought. In October 2023, the Axie endlessness cost might drop to at least $8.28 in an extremely significant manner. The normal pinnacle worth could especially be $9.48 in October 2023 in a significant way. Likely return for capital invested, 37.2% Axie value figure for November 2023 having broke down Axie limitlessness cost. Digital currency specialists sort of expect that the Axie rate could in a real sense arrive at a kind of limit of $9.82 in November 2023, which by and large is genuinely huge. It may, nonetheless, drop to $8.46 in a for the most part significant manner. For November 2023, the anticipated normal of Axie endlessness is especially almost $8.82, likely return for money invested. 42.1% December 2023. Axie vastness value gauge around mid-2023. The Axie endlessness cost will basically be exchanged at the genuinely normal degree of $9.08, which especially is very huge. Crypto examiners especially expect that in December 2023, the Axie cost could generally change somewhere in the range of $8.73 and $10.18. Possible return for money invested. 47.3% Axie boundlessness value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Axie limitlessness in earlier years, it sort of is accepted that in 2024, the very least cost of Axie vastness will be around $12.62. The most extreme expected Axie cost might be around $15.12. By and large, the exchanging cost could generally be $13.07 in 2024. Amazingly, Axie boundlessness value expectation 2025 in view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Axie endlessness. In 2025, Axie for the most part is supposed to have the accompanying least and by and large greatest cost, about $18.28 and $21.70. Separately, which in a real sense is very huge in a real sense. The typical expected exchanging cost truly is $18.81. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Axie endlessness and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the kind of least Axie cost could drop to $25.28. While it's in every practical sense, most extreme can truly reach $30.94, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Overall, the exchanging cost will especially be around $26.03, which essentially is very critical. Axie vastness value expectation 2027 in light of the examination of the expenses of Axie limitlessness by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and fundamentally least Axie costs in every way that really matters are normal in 2027, $43.97 and $38.02. Amazingly, all things considered, it will be exchanged at $39.32. Axie endlessness value expectation 2028 crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Axie vastness. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical Axie cost will be around $57.67 in every